Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the starch solution. If you'd like more information on the starch solution, I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box below. On my channel, you will find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you're new to this way of eating, or you're just curious, or if you feel like you just need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Today I'm going to be trying a recipe that I saw on TikTok. It went viral, and you may have seen it too, but my version will be vegan, gluten-free, and no oil. So the recipe that's on TikTok is pasta chips. You just make some pasta the regular way, you season it up, you put it in the air fryer, and they come out these delicious, crispy little chips. So let's get started. So for this recipe, I will be using some gluten-free penne pasta. This is Barilla brand. You could use rigatoni, bow tie, those would all work well. Then I'm gonna add a cup of pasta and cook it to the package directions. Okay, now I'm gonna drain the pasta. So you wanna drain the pasta, but do not rinse it. Then we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of aqua faba. This is going to be in place of oil. Aqua faba is just the juice from a can of garbanzo beans. So just get this nice and well coated. Then we're just gonna start adding our seasonings. I've got a half a teaspoon of onion powder, Italian seasoning, onion powder, salt, then about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast for that cheesiness, and then stir. And then a couple shakes of red pepper flakes. Then into your air fryer basket. Get them in a single layer, 400 degrees for 10 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. So I paired these with the pasta sauce and some hummus, and I'm going to try it with both. They certainly came out very crispy. So I'm going to try the pasta sauce first. Very good. Now let's try some hummus. I love that crunch. These are absolutely amazing. Now I know why this video went viral on TikTok. It's great. Hope you give this one a try. It is so easy, and it'd be a great appetizer or just a snack. So I hope you give this one a try. And remember, my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. I hope you subscribe to Chew on Vegan and become part of the family. And check out my Facebook group as well. Until next time, thank you.